mixture of calamares, combination of lard, cornstarch, salt, cumin, and egg. Let's fry it. Just put in the pan with the low heat one by one. Just fry for about 1.5 minutes before you flip the calamares over. Another 1.5 minutes.
Much later.
Look at that, the crispiness. Same procedure and all it's done.
Much later.
Let's taste it. Crispy and outside and tender inside. Let's try it again. It's good. Okay, let's try with the sausawa, the combination of vinegar, garlic, onion, chili flakes because I don't have a fresh chilies and some black pepper. Let's try another one. So, ang sarap. Diyos ko po naman road day. Kasarap na rin. Mamatay ka sa inggit, dudes. Ay, hindi ko namatay siya kaya nagtagalog na. Ay, pagkapasarap naman. Hinuga hindi makapagtagalog din eh. Oh, Diyos ko po naman pag natimusan nyo, aray. Sasabihin nyo, thank you, Lord. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. God bless. Bye-bye.